In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a deleted database in Hostinger. Whether it's accidental deletion or something else, don't worry, because restoring your database is a straightforward process. Let's walk through the steps together to ensure everything is back in place smoothly. First things first, you'll need to log into your hPanel account. You can do this by heading over to the Hostinger website. When you arrive at the login page, enter your credentials, and once you've successfully logged in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard filled with all your website management options. Now that we're in, let's move on to the next step. Navigate to the Websites section of the dashboard. You'll find this option conveniently listed in the main menu. Once you're there, you'll see a list of your websites. Locate the website associated with the database you want to restore and click on Manage. This action will direct you to a more detailed management area for your specific website, where you can control and modify various options. Scrolling down the page, you'll come across the Files section. This is where all your website's critical files and backups are housed. In this section, click on Backups. Here is where you'll find all the backups that have been created for your site. It's a treasure trove of data snapshots, ready to be restored if need be. In the Backups area, you're going to see multiple backups listed by date. It's important to choose a date from before the database was deleted. Take a moment to decide which backup you'd like to restore. Select the date that best suits your needs for restoration. Now that you've marked your chosen backup, your next stop is the Databases tab. Within the Databases tab, search for the database you wish to recover. Take a close look because we want to ensure you're restoring the correct data. Once you've found your deleted database among those listed, there's a simple action to take. Click on Restore next to the database you want to bring back to life. For those of you seeking a bit more caution or perhaps wanting to review the database first, there's an option to download the backup before you restore it. This allows you to inspect the data or even restore it manually if that's your preference. It's a handy feature for those who might need an extra layer of reassurance. After clicking Restore, you'll be prompted to confirm the restoration process. By doing so, you authorize Hostinger to commence with bringing your database back from the backup. Rest assured, Hostinger will diligently handle this process and will notify you once the restoration is complete, ensuring everything is set up correctly. And there you have it. Your database should now be restored, and your website should be back to its former glory. Thank you for joining me today, and remember, you can replay the video if you need to follow along with the steps again. Happy restoring!